is Rohini. I don't know if you can tell, but look at this platter. Does it look like I'm in a party mood? Absolutely. So I'm going to have a few friends over, and I thought let me get the party started so that my life becomes a little easy when they're here. So I've got some part of the platter ready. I've got some grapes, I've got some nuts, I've got some fruits, I've got some cheeses. That's not enough. We need something more. We need to elevate the flavors of these things with something else. And guess what we have? We've got a wide range of condiments from Fragata here. We've got some amazing black olives, we've got cocktail onions, we've got olives that are stuffed with peppers, we've got capers, really nice and tangy, they're plump and juicy in your mouth. We've got jalapenos to give some kick to the cheese that we have, it'll pair really well. And we've got some gherkins as well that'll go well with some of the crackers we have. So I'm going to show you how to put this platter together really fast, really quick, and it's going to get you some amazing bonus points when your friends are here. So let's get the party started. First, we've got olives, black olives, really nice and plump and juicy. Let's get the green olives. Oh, look at these. They're stuffed with peppers in them. Double duty flavor in one bite. Capers. What else? Let's get the cocktail onions. What else do we have? Some jalapeno for the kick. Let's get some gherkins as well. These babies are so cute. We love them. Now, visually, we love our food to look beautiful. This is looking kind of beautiful. I would just maybe do one swap here. Maybe get this green here, get this white here, so it sort of balances out. Obviously, that's looking pretty. It's got to also taste really well and good. And Fragata's done that for us by giving us these fantastic and delicious items on our platter. The capers, the gherkins, the jalapenos, the olives. Really elevates the whole cheese platter to a new level. I hope you guys are inspired by this. Make your own platters with all the delicious stuff that Fragata has to offer, and we would love to hear from you and see how you enjoyed this platter. Take care, bye.